and no prey, no way back. Heart and steel, faith in dust, hope in chest, eat the rust. No halo left, just bone and lust. Dread the truth out, break the cross. God, God. Scalpel tuck, I carve the lie. Skin goes thin, the saints all cry. Lungs full smoke, veins on fire. What you sow was dressed as choir. Slice by slice, I read your sins. Golden hands rock within. Promise clean, but the core is grim. Pretty crown on a hollow cane. Tick, cut, rip, shut. God imparts, box and shut. Hear that sound, it's not a choir. It's the crack of your last desire. You wore light but fed the fire. Now you beg in the open wire. Cut it open, let it show. No more heaven, only bone. Cut it open, feel it run. Your God is dead, your God is gone. Cut, cut, cut it down. Cut, 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 cut it down. Cut it open, feel it run. Your God is dead, your God is gone. Cut it done, burn the ground. Brain like glass, cracked by greed. Fed on fear, you called it creed. Mouth says peace, hands say bleed. Every prayer just plants a seed. Media saints with plastic veins. Sell the cure, feed the pain. Buy your soul with candy chains. Smile wide while we stay chained. Click, sell, buy, fall. God was built in a shopping mall. I was